It's a great pleasure and honor for me to give a speech in the heart of Africa. My dream has come true. I'm giving a public lecture in Nigeria.
This religion of peace, submitting our will to Almighty God, is the only solution for the problems of humankind. Islam does not only speak about unity, it practically demonstrates unity every day in our life, at least 5 times a day during our salah. So the only solution for the global unity is believing and worshipping only one sole creator and sustainer.